Today I'm going to show you how to unvault Taproot Wizard and bring it back into your possession. You're going to go to the vault and click on unvault. You're going to be presented with two transactions, a gasless transaction and this gas transaction that you see right here. This will cost some ETH as you are burning the underlying NFT to reveal the seed phrase. Keep in mind this process could take about 20 seconds, so please hang tight. And once the gasless transaction is complete, you'll be presented with another gasless transaction, which is going to be how you see the seed phrase or the private key. You're just going to go ahead and copy the mnemonic phrase and paste it into your favorite Ordinals wallet. And the Taproot Wizard is back in your possession. If you ever leave Emblem Vision, you could always just go back to the vault and view the seed phrase at any point in time. You'll see that this process is much faster because there is no gas transaction. So it should pop up in about 3 seconds, as you see here. You just go ahead and copy it and paste it into any Ordinal wallet of your choice.